Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's answer a question I get asked all the time. Is AgriBaron really legit? Is it actually paying? Well, let me tell you, yes, it really does pay. When it comes to payouts, this platform delivers. And it's not just me saying this. There are tons of members who have already been farming and earning in the game. As you can see on the screen, the money arrives almost instantly. Real proof, real results. Now, you might be wondering, what do you need to start withdrawing your earnings? It's simple. You just need to accumulate 50 gold coins and you're already eligible to cash out. If you want to earn without spending a cent, you can do that too. Just keep planting and harvesting wheat crops every day. This gives you 3 diamonds daily, which is equivalent to around 30 pesos. It might not sound huge, but it's consistent and free. But what if you're someone who's willing to invest a little to earn bigger and faster? That's where the real strategy begins. Let's say you're skeptical, but curious. You want to try it out, not the free way, but a faster route. You decide to start with just 1,000 pesos. What can you get for that? The answer is simple: 1 chicken. Now here's the great part. With just 1 chicken and 1 reusable chicken feed, you can start earning every single day. Yes, the feed is reusable. You only have to buy it once for 5 gold coins or 50 pesos. After that, no need to keep buying feed daily for that first chicken. Let's break it down. 1 chicken costs 100 gold coins or 1,000 pesos. With that chicken and the reusable feed, you'll get 1 egg and 1 feather every 24 hours. 1 egg equals 5 gold coins. That's 50 pesos. 1 feather equals 1.25 diamonds or about 12.5 pesos. So your total daily earnings from that chicken alone, 62.5 pesos every day consistently. But that's not all. Let's not forget your daily wheat crops. By just signing in and using redemption codes, you can get 3 diamonds or another 30 pesos daily. So if we add that up, chicken plus feed equals 62.5 pesos, wheat crops equals 30 pesos. Your total daily earnings equals 92.5 pesos. That's around 2,775 pesos per month. Now let that sink in. You invest just 1,000 pesos and 50 pesos more for the reusable feed. That's a total of 1,050 pesos just once. And from that, you earn up to 2,775 pesos every month. No tricks, no complicated steps, just smart farming. So what are you waiting for? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more earning guides and updates. Stay tuned and keep farming smart. See you in the next one.